Hey guys, it's Kels.
And Mario.
Gregory. Hey guys, it's Kels.
And Gregor.
Gregory!
So don't make fun of
You know how much I'm gonna have to edit this now?
You just have to edit out the first half.
Today we're changing out the tires. The tires have been completely rotted out. So we have to take the wheels off, bring the tires into the shop, get some new tires put on, and then put them back on here today. So let's get to it. Alright, so now we're trying to break the nuts loose that are holding on the wheels, and we're using a breaker bar to do that.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah. She was really stuck on there though. This guy. Oh, that is one heavy tire. So we're gonna take a look inside behind this first wheel. We have, this is standard disc brakes. This is what's on a lot of the cars nowadays, and what we did on the Formula Race team. That is a fat disc caliper and a really dirty disc. Yeah, we'll be fixing that. We got one off.
Alright, so everything was kind of chaotic when we were taking the tires off, so I kind of want to explain what happened. we took the jack and we tried to get it under the car, but since the tires were so rotted away and deflated, the car was too close to the ground to even get the jack underneath it. So we tried squatting the car, just one person, and it didn't lift it enough. And so we ended up getting my brother, my sister, Greg, and then I out here. So 3 of us squatted the car to lift it, while the 4th person put the jack underneath it, and we were able to get the jack on the frame like just a fraction of an inch. It was really really sketchy kind of situation, but that's all we could get it under. We were able to jack it up enough that we could inflate the tire, so that way when we took the jack off, we could put the jack on again and really lift it up all the way. After that, we were able to get all 4 tires off, but some of the bolts are kind of seized on there, so we had to use the top handle of the jack to kind of add a little extra leverage onto getting those bolts off. And then we were able to go to the tire store and get everything switched out. So it's been smooth sailing once we got the jack under there. It was just the process of getting it under was a little bit more complicated than we were expecting. Yeah. So now we're gonna go. We have the tires back from the tire shop. We're gonna throw the wheels back on the car.
There's a bee.
Behind me?
No, he's in the garage. There you go. Oh, yep, it's behind you now. Don't move. Yeah, move now. 2 of them, run! Came back. This lost his buddy.
They're scout bees.
Come on, man, I suck.
Alright, so we had a second bee invasion when we were putting on the last tire, so Greg was able to scare him out, but there's probably a swarm nearby trying to get in, trying to find his new home. We just closed up the garage to try to prevent him from coming back in while he's just finishing torquing down the last lug nuts. So we'll use the puller jack to jack up the car a little bit so that we can remove the jack stands, and then we can set this baby down on its tires. So that way we'll all be good for the big move. So excited! Alright, so we put all 4 wheels back on. Greg torqued them down, and we were able to lower it successfully right after we finished lowering everything. Greg popped up in the garage to let some light in, and then more bees swarmed in.
Bee invasion number 2.
No, that was the 3rd one. We've had to close it down 3 times. So the bees are gone and we're all done. Come back next week. We're actually moving to a new house, so we gotta figure out how to get this bad boy up on a trailer. It's gonna be fun! Especially because we're parked on a hill. So if you enjoyed this episode, make sure to give our video a thumbs up and then also click the subscribe button.